I don't know, but why are Igbo people like this? Keyendi Igbo ji emeso nwanne fa omume di otu a. Please watch this video.
Each time I see that police join hands to support corruption, piss me off. Just look at what police. Alright guys, so this video wanna just watch now. This thing now, I think it happened today. Now, can you just imagine the kind of things when Nigerian police they support? Me and they like make video con they shout or con they, I don't need to shout before now if you understand the pain. We will say some of these things when like police they do. We will say will they feel. An uncle go sell property we belong to him and his elder brother. His elder brother is still alive. The elder brother get children. This uncle now go sell this property without these people, without even his brother's notice, consent, because his senior brother now, according to the daughter, is sick. The man know well. He don't know anything when we say they happen. And now that same has this man dey. Now you, because of maybe now the uncle now, God bless you, you get small money. If you say you will praise these people, you go and sell this property. Now the person will buy property now don't come to demolish house where your brother dey. I know if even sell and maybe give am money or maybe buy another place, say I move all of them move go. You did not do any of such thing. The person will buy house now don't come to demolish house. They don't tell am now say this house belong to their dad and their uncle. The man say buy from the uncle. They come to tell this man away buy house say their dad know their way say the younger brother wants sell this property. Please, this property is not for sale, and it's boldly written on the wall there. Say this property is not for sale. Do you have 419? It's boldly written there. Go and collect your money from where you pay. We are not aware of this. Are you even buying this place? Where do you want us to go? Not even like notice say nothing. Just come demolish this thing. Because you came with police where they guide you, you give order. They break down one side of the building. You people left. Returned back in the night and was trying to break the other side before the guy ran and called the police. Police came, and because you are wealthy now, you are influential, they don't feel arrest you. The police insisted they will go with one of the workers there. The next day, according to them, they get a lawyer, they charge this matter to court. Court is still deciding on this matter. This matter is not yet settled. Just look at the video now that you all just watch now. What Nigerian police is doing, knowing fully well. These children we are saying in that video that this matter is still in Supreme Court. That is not yet decided. Why is he coming to demolish our house? My dad is inside. If you demolish this place now, where are we going to? Police see they beat these people. See the kind of beat where they give this, beat them finish, carry the full family, go put for sale. What are we even doing in this country? I don't just understand what is happening. I don't just understand within Nigerian police. Is it only for the rich? Why even they always they do like people say they no train? Now it just them now they this where they this what they call them institution or waiting. I thought they train on aware now. What is happening in police department for crying out loud? Are you people now for the rich? You people are aware that court has not decided this thing. And these people said that they are not aware that the uncle sold this property, and the uncle is working freely, living in another place with his family, and you want to come and demolish a house that people are still inside without any notice, nothing. And because you are influential and you have money, you come with police to arrest them, to intimidate them. This thing is getting out of hand in this country. Please, if this video come across to you, don't keep quiet. It can happen to anybody. Share this video. This family needs our help. Sorry, they need our help. Share this video. Tag anybody you know. This thing is happening in Anambra State. Tag anybody you know in Anambra. Tag the Commissioner of Police Anambra State. They must not intimidate this family. They must not intimidate this family. Tag anybody you know that you need to tag. Make this video go viral. Their voice, their cry must be heard. God bless you all. This thing.
Okay, looking at this video now, you will see that it's property that is the problem. Property being a soku, something that will still live on earth and go. These are some certain things that happens between Igbo people that I don't like. I'm an Igbo girl, but I don't know why this happens to Igbo people. Viewers and subscribers of BVI Channel 1+, welcome back to our channel. With you today is Amaka. Okay, looking at this video right now that we have watched, we would see that what happened here is just property, this is allegedly, because tell me why this man's younger brother would go behind him to sell the house that they're living in without even consulting the elder brother. Like, what's going on? That's why sometimes in Igbo land, badly, it may be bad things after a chopogi or singing naba because of property. And where it gets worse is if you just give birth to, or if you just give birth to only females, they will so deal with you. But why? Even okay, at some point, maybe when your husband is still alive, you guys should be relating so well. But if you mistakenly give birth to just girls and your husband dies, I'm so sorry for you, but you will hear me. They don't even really value female children, even up till now. Even most of them who are learned, they don't value female child. Okay, now watching this video, this man is still alive and you went behind him to sell the property, the house that he's still living in. Okay, let me say you have money and you're living elsewhere. Why selling this property? Why selling the house? Where do you want him to stay? Where do you want him to carry his kids now to? And they're demolishing the house already. Why causing all these havocs? Why causing all these problems? We should love ourselves. They say, and worst part is that most of them, they are very good outside. If you see how they are relating with people, you will think that they can't even bite. They can't even do such a thing. They can't even throw their family out. Because tell me why you sell this house now to an outsider now. They are arresting, harassing, they are beating, they are even fighting. Police. Our system is just messed up, honestly, because tell me why the police came and then they started dragging these people, beating these people, hitting them out of their home. Where should they run to? And they are taking them to their custody. Looking at it, it's only the rich that have access to all these police people, because when someone does, I know there are some other police, like some other system, like police people that listens, some other forces that listens, like when you come to them, they will listen to you and advocate and all of that. But most times, even if you call, they will just come, the rich will just settle them, they will just move on. Which is corruption. The corrupt system is just too much. It's just too much. Okay, the father is not even okay, and all this dragging now, and now we are not barely okay, Mali. You sold a property that belongs to you and your elder brother. Your elder brother, you did not even consult him. Okay, brother, can I learn property? Yeah, you have your own money. Why are you coming there? Why can't you people just base where you are? Why can't you just stay there? Okay, now you are trying to invade in that house now to sell it out. You have already sold it out already to this young man who is now fighting for his property, which is not even supposed to be his property, because you people are two that owns this property, and you did not even consult your elder brother. You just sold the property out, a total stranger. You don't even know if he wants to sell that property. Anybody that have not experienced this will not really understand what these people are passing through now, because oh my god, where would they run to? Where would that man and the family now go to if now they don't even get justice? These people need justice, honestly, because like, what's up? Even if you are fighting with your brother, you have the power you have, why would you now get your elder brother, your blood? No, now please, however you feel about this video, because me, I'm bitter about it, yes, however you feel about this video, write on the comment section for me. Let's talk, let's discuss. Thank you. Please do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to share this video so that it will go around, so that people will advocate for these people, so that it will reach the right audience. Do not forget to subscribe on our channel. We always bring palaver, always bring problems that gets issue. If you have anything that you want to share with us, do not forget to visit us today. Thank you. Till the next time we'll meet again. Peace out.